Turmeric Cucumber Milkshake. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy, delicious turmeric cucumber milkshake. It's really simple and easy to make. So let's get started. Let's start with our ingredients. 1 cucumber. Please wash before you dice it. We'll be using half of the cucumber for this recipe. We'll be adding a couple of spinach into the mix. Two dates. A thumb of turmeric. Place all the ingredients into the blender. Cucumber, spinach, turmeric, and the 2 dates. Make sure you remove the seeds from the dates before you blend it. Now we will add a cup of milk. Blend everything together. Turmeric cucumber milkshake is delicious, creamy, and very nutritious. Wow, look at that milkshake, so healthy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.